Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I got Chen here with my really good friend, and we're gonna be shooting a commercial for her product that she's selling on her Insta shop.
Okay, yeah, so this product, right, is actually a lash growth serum. So it will help to grow your natural lashes longer, thicker and denser. And the reason why I started this was because firstly, I studied marketing back in school. Since young, I always wanted to start a business on my own. So I just decided to try this, and here we are.
Okay, so now I'm gonna be bringing you guys behind the scenes through the storyboard that we created.
So for the soundtrack, I chose a pretty elegant sounding soundtrack. So I will be pairing it up with elegant looking shots such as the first scene where we have the product just floating across the screen, and then the second scene, the product coming out of the packaging in a magical manner, just floating out of the box. And then the third shot here, we have the bottle cap opening by itself in a very slow-mo fashion. And then after that, we'll have the scenes of Chen applying the product on her lashes. Okay, so for the first scene, I'm gonna be taping a chopstick to the packaging so that I can rotate it easily. And then in post-production, I'm gonna be editing out the chopstick so that it will only be the bottle just rotating. Okay, so for the next scene, I'm gonna be making the product float out of the packaging in a very magical manner. And I'm gonna be doing this by taking a photo of the open packaging and also a photo of the product itself, and cropping out each photo on a white background, and then superimposing the product onto the open box so as if it looks like it's inside. And I'm gonna be just making the product come out of the box.
Okay, so the next shot, we're gonna be doing a close-up of her eyes while she's putting the serum. Okay, this is the one of the last few scenes, and we're gonna be shooting some Vogue shots of Chen. She's gonna demonstrate for us right now. Three, two, one, action.
Nope.
Damn.
Okay, as you can see, the last shot ended with her closing her eyes. So for this scene, we're gonna link it together by transitioning into a close-up shot of her opening her eyes. And then we're gonna link it back to the previous shot where she opens her eyes again and leaves the scene.
Okay guys, we just shot our last scene and we've come to the end of the shoot.
It was my first time, so I had a lot of fun doing it. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I had fun being in it.
So here's the final product.